it's me, Olivia, and I have to talk really fast because there's a bird stuck in the cage. Don't touch it yet, Mommy. And its mate's trying to get it out. Here, I'll grab it. Video, please.
No, you can't grab it.
I'll grab it.
No, you can't. Watch out. I'm gonna get the cloud out.
Here. Oops.
Don't stand next to it. What are you doing?
Sorry.
Move it. It won't fly out if you're standing there.
Okay. There it goes. It's out. It's out. Sorry you didn't get to see that. Harney, what are you doing? Okay. So there's a bird stuck in this cage. My old bunny rabbit cage. Sorry you didn't get to see it. I guess you saw some of it, but sorry. Love y'all. More videos coming soon. Harley, say bye. Come here.